Hi, it's Amanda here, the creative gardener. And as you can see, I'm out in the garden with one of my tools. It is the beginning of the hurricane season, which runs all the way down until November. And so, what I'm trying to do is to prepare the land. Remembering what it was like last year, we had because we're on a slope, the everything runs down towards the well. So looking to see how I can make sure that not too much of the topsoil runs off, and that I can get some plants in the ground so that when we get all the rain and we're still getting the sunshine, that they grow to their optimum and just kind of tidy up. Um, I've been experimenting and trying plants in different areas to see, what grows better where, and also just to get some things growing in the ground. And we've had quite a few different bits and pieces: cassava, we've had eddos, we've had papayas. What else? We've got some bananas growing. I've got to just go around and see what needs to be moved, what needs to be planted out. I've got things growing that should have been out into the ground quite a while ago, but now because of the rain, it means that the ground, which is we've got clay soil, is a lot softer. So it's going to be easier for me to dig holes and plant the trees that I want. And also look at areas that I wasn't planning on growing any food because it was like, say, the border or at the front of the house, and just totally turn that on its head. I mean, we've got a fence running down the side of the house, and I'm thinking I can grow things like, um, what are they called? Ah, the things just pop from my head. They're also known as okra, lady's fingers. What else? And anything else that, beans I can grow down there. I've just got to make sure that there's enough soil there. So looking at covering every single inch of this piece of land with food, so that me and my family are not only blessed, but I can spread the blessing and spread the love with some food, and organic at that. And it's just been really great to be able to eat from the things that you've been growing. I've been cultivating or harvesting the drumsticks from the moringa plant, and I've been finding where I thought it was going to be tender, so you could eat the whole plant, eat the drumstick itself. I've been finding they've been quite tough. No, I don't think I've got. No, I haven't. There's some ground we'll take a walk with me quickly. So I'm not even sure. Like I've got some, here that are just like underdeveloped. Whether I want to take from there, or I've got another one here. I'm thinking maybe. But what I've been doing. The dog keeps watching me. What I've been doing is harvesting the big ones just before the seeds go black, and cooking them up in sort of like a stew. And then if you chew them up, you're getting the seeds, you're getting what's inside the drumstick. It's very fibrous, and it's not something that you can swallow, but you're getting all that goodness in you anyway. And and then that can then go on the compost heap. So I've been harvesting the tree that I've got, the moringa tree that I've got that's growing really well. And I'm going to be saving some of the seeds so that I can just plant some more plants. You can't have too many moringa trees. I've got 11 growing at the moment, but I've only got, say, 3 that are really thriving. The others are kind of like quite sad and small, like this one. So there'll be some I'll be able to harvest just for the greens, and some for the the pods as well. So I've got to leave it there because I'm running out of space. So I'll see you soon and give you some more updates.